Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Spotify on BeReal. To connect Spotify to BeReal, first of all, open up the BeReal application on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Now once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile page, click on the gear icon at the top right. Here from the settings menu, tap on audio and then click on the connect button right next to Spotify. Now click the continue button in the pop-up to end up in the accounts.spotify.com website. Go ahead and type down your username or email associated with Spotify and click on continue. Type down your password or enter your OTP on Spotify. It'll be sent to your email. After you open it up, you will see a login code sent to you. Copy that code and type it down in the BeReal app. You can also paste it in and then type it down in your Spotify website, and then you will be able to see this interface. Click on agree and you have now connected BeReal with Spotify. Now your current Spotify song will appear automatically on your BeReal post whenever you are listening to music during the captcha. And that's it. You are now vibing on BeReal with your favorite Spotify track. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.